Hello healthy fam, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make this banana lemon mask, which doesn't just glow your face but it exfoliates your skin, it helps you remove wrinkles, it clears dark spot and does a whole lot of things, and I will be showing you exactly how to do it. So please watch till the end because I will be showing you the correct method to apply this face mask for you to get a most effective result. So the first thing I did was to get my bananas. I peeled it off and then I sliced it into a very clean bowl. You can see that my hands are washed, and then I proceed to mashing this with my fork. You can also use something else that is easy for you to mash, like a whisker or a spatula, but this is very okay for me. So guys, if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, please smash the subscribe button to join this healthy family. We would love to have you. Then the next thing I did was to get my lemons. These lemons are so healthy and they are very effective in glowing your skin and removing dead cells. So after cutting it, I squeezed 2 tablespoons of this lemon juice into the bowl, and I will be placing the exact measurement for all of this in the description box below, so not to worry. And make sure you try to avoid the seed from going in because you don't want to have any obstruction inside of your your mask, and then you mix this properly. So guys, if you are a first timer on this channel, please do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button, and if you're yet to like this video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that like button and give us a thumbs up. So what I did next was to add a tablespoon of honey. You all know that I always include natural honey for best results, and this is very good to also help to remove acne and dark spots on the face, and it also helps to moisturize the face. And then the last thing I added was my cinnamon. I added a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon to this because cinnamon is very effective and great in exfoliating the skin and also in removing dead cells. And please be moderate in the portion of cinnamon you add to this mask. So let's get into how to apply this mask. The first thing you need to do is to get a boiled water, not very boiled water but very hot to the extent that your hand can go in, and then you get a clean towel and use it to clear and massage your face. What this hot water is doing is like a dilator. It helps to dilate your skin pores so that all of the mask can effectively penetrate to give you the best result. So the second thing you need to do in applying this is to get some slices of cucumbers. Cucumbers are great for me because they help me cleanse my face and also remove dead cells on the face. They are super effective. And place some concentration on your eye area while you are using it as a cleanser. This is what I use. Everything natural. Use it to clean your face, and make sure you also do the same for your neck because you don't want your neck to be looking dark while your face is glowing. So after doing this, ensure that you're right at all of the corners. You arrive at all of the corners of the face and under eye, and every single part of your face get cleansed up by these cucumber slices. And then when you are done, we proceed to the next thing, which is to add the mask to it. You can see how beautiful the face is even looking even before the glow mask is being added. So I proceeded to adding this glow mask. Guys, I bet you that your result will wow you. Please let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this glow mask. And please, for a most effective result, it's important you do this 2 times in a week and at most 3 times in a week. And I can bet you that this works for every skin and you won't even have any side effect because these are all natural products. So make sure you apply the mask to every part of your face as well as your neck and then your under eye, so that you avoid your eyes going black underneath and then all of those high bags and the rest of it. So you do this, and then what I did is after applying this glow mask, I allowed it to sit for 45 minutes. I just got busy doing other things, and it was really enjoying, as in it was so enjoyable. I enjoyed the experience. And then after 45 minutes, I just went ahead to wash with a cold water, and voila, this is it, guys. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.